Hi friends, today we are going to do photosynthesis. As we know, in the living things only plants can make their own food by the process photosynthesis. Now what is meant by photosynthesis? Photo means light, synthesis means putting together. Now plants need sunlight from sun. As we know, sun count as a natural resource, a biggest natural resource of energy. Then carbon dioxide, which comes from air, that is CO2. And third thing is water, which plants take from soil. In the scientific language, we can call it H2O. So plants need sunlight from sun, water from soil, and carbon dioxide from air to make their own food or to carry out the function of photosynthesis. Now let's see in details. Photosynthesis takes place in the leaves of a plant. Means leaf is a very important plant to carry out photosynthesis process. So leaves have teeny pores called stomata through which carbon dioxide enters the plant. Now this stomata also contains chloroplast, and this chloroplast contains chlorophyll, which is very important in the process of this photosynthesis. So chloroplast contains this chlorophyll. Now leaf takes water from soil, sunlight from sun, and the carbon dioxide from the air, and then the reaction happens. CO2 means carbon dioxide plus H2O means water in the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll. This carbon dioxide and water converted into C6H12O6, that is glucose, plus O2 means oxygen. And we know the importance of oxygen, yes, because all living things using this for breathe to live. So the plant leaves this oxygen through the stomata, because these two things produced from these plants or from these leaves, that is, one is glucose, second one is oxygen. So this oxygen lives by the leaf through the stomata, and this oxygen only we use to breathe. So this is our oxygen cylinder only, right? And now what happened with this glucose? Like all our human beings, we have to store grain or food for later use. Like this way, glucose is given to the plant, and the extra glucose which produced is stored by the plant in the form of starch. See, plants also store their food, right? So this starch is used for the later use. This way, in photosynthesis, we get the oxygen, and plant also get this glucose, or in the form of starch, it's stored in the plant. So at the last, photosynthesis means photosynthesis is the process by which plants prepare their own food using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. Presented by Mrs. Savita Sandeep Jagtap, MHGR, from Dimna Colony Municipal Upper Primary English School number 1, Govanji, Mumbai 43. Thank you for watching.